Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Waveshell DLL and pointing FL Studio to it. Open your Waves installation folder and note whether the DLL is in 32-bit or 64-bit. Then open FL Studio's file settings and add the exact folder path. This ensures FL can find the file. Once done, run FL Studio as administrator for the initial scan so the host can access protected folders. This step fixes most missing DLL detection problems by removing simple path and permission issues. Now force FL Studio to rescan and confirm the Waveshell registers correctly. Go to Plugin Manager and start a full scan with Verify plugins enabled so FL can log errors. If the shell still fails, open Waves Central. Repair the installation and reauthorize licenses because an unauthorized shell often refuses to load. If permissions or antivirus block the DLL, move it to an alternate folder you added to FL search paths and rescan. This isolates path versus license problems and usually gets the host. Finish by loading Waveshell into a clean project and confirming audio processes. Open the plugin wrapper, choose a preset, and verify sound and automation respond. This confirms both scanning and bridging worked. If crashes or silent failures continue, check Windows Event Viewer for specific DLL errors and reinstall the Waveshell accordingly. As a last troubleshooting tip, disable antivirus temporarily or add folder exceptions. Many security tools quarantine DLLs and cause intermittent loading issues, so make sure Waves folders are allowed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.